beautiful people. Welcome to your queen's kitchen. Today I'm going to make this strong up, mix up, blend up for my husband. So if the ladies are joining in, make this one for your husband. Husbands, if you're here, make this drink. Your wife will be pleased. So this is our Jamaican strong back, mix up and blend up. My brother them always make this, so I decided to go live and share this mix up and blend up with my royalties. So what we're gonna do, I'm just gonna walk you through my preparation here before we start the mixing and the blending. So you must be wondering what's in here. Okay, so let me tell you what's in this. So in here, I have my soursop juice, yes. And in the soursop, I have some white rum, just to preserve it because I have this in the fridge. I have a video out on how to prepare your soursop juice, how to juice your soursop, but it's pretty easy, pretty simple. I'll leave the link in the description on how to prepare your soursop. But basically, I just use one soursop. I peel the soursop, wash it off nicely, and I just squeeze it in some water, and then I strain it off. Make it nice and thick and rich. See that? Nice, thick, and rich. Yes. Very easy, as I'm saying. So, today, I'll be adding a Magnum. You can use Guinness, or you can use Dragon. Peanut punch. Nutriments. To sweeten, I'm using some milk, but you can substitute this if you don't use dairy. You can use coconut milk and some sweetener. Like, you don't want to use sugar, please don't use sugar. Use something else to sweeten. You can use a fruit like banana and blend it with everything. So I'm gonna go in first and foremost with my peanut punch. I may use one or two peanut punch. It all depends on the vibe that I'm under right now. So if you're new here and you're seeing this video, please hit that thumbs up button. Leave me a comment and subscribe to my channel for more amazing content. So what you can do, you can mix this and put it into your fridge. And before you go to bed, gentlemen, drink one glass before you lay down with your wife. Drink one glass of this and you'll see the difference. She'll tell you about it in the morning, okay? Because this is our mix up, blend up, and strong back. So I'm going to add the nutriments. If you can't make no baby next Father's Day, I'm telling you, they are going to be wishing you Happy Father's Day. You can use Str0ng as well if you don't have nutriments. Hi Teflon. Welcome everyone. Welcome. And of course, I'm going to be adding my sea moss. So I'll leave a link in the description. Just grabbing a spoon. So I'll leave a link in the description box for my sea moss and how to prepare the sea moss. So this is my sea moss gel. See that? How thick this is? Look. Very thick. Look at that. Yes. So I'm adding about 2 or 3 tablespoons. I think I already have like 2 tablespoons in there. So I add another one. Nice, thick and rich. I love sea moss, so I'm going in with another one. Lots of health benefits, lots of goodness. Okay, I'll leave a link for this one. And we're just gonna stir everything in. I'm going to add a little bit of allspice, and I'm going to add some vanilla. I'm just grabbing my allspice Just give me 1 second. Hope you all are having a wonderful night. So I'm going in with about a teaspoon of vanilla. You can add 2 teaspoons, up to you. Just taste it and see if it wants some more, and then you can add some more if you wish. You can add some almond essence as well, or some almond extract. And I'm going in with a little bit of my allspice. See, my sea moss gel is in there, so you have to mix this out well. Going in with my allspice now. And I'm adding just a little pinch. You can add like 1/4 teaspoon. Blessings, everyone. Blessings, blessings. I see you. Remember to leave a comment so I can thank you after the video, after the live has ended. Hey, Talman TV, I see you. Thank you for coming. Just making some nice strong back, you know, power pack punch for the men and also for the ladies. Ladies, make this for your husbands. Husband, make this and satisfy your wives. So I'm making it simple, easy, and delicious. So before I add the magnum, I'm going to take some out because my daughter needs some of this, but she doesn't do alcohol. She's 17, okay? And I already have a little bit of rum in here, so I won't be adding the magnum as yet. But as I'm saying, you can add the magnum and you can add Dragon or Guinness. So you just want to keep stirring, 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 and you're gonna sweeten. So I'm just gonna go in with some sweet condensed milk. And remember, I told you the condensed milk is optional if you do not do milk, and it depends on the sweetness that you're looking for, so add accordingly. If you do not drink cow's milk, you can use substitute sweetener, like you can add bananas, but you will need to blend this up, okay? Don't use no sugar to sweeten this, okay? Because this is a healthy drink. We don't need any sugar in our drink. So we're just gonna mix this around. And the sea moss gel is in here. They're chunky, so I'm going to have to blend this up. Let me show you what the sea moss gel is looking like in here. So this is a sea moss gel. I don't know if you can see it, but sometimes I just drink it same way. I break them down smaller and it kind of look like bubble tea, you know bubble tea. Yes, so you can leave them just like that in big chunks or small chunks, and just have them in the bottom like bubble tea, so you don't even have to blend it. See how beautiful this is? And that's all you need. So I'm just gonna pour some out now for my daughter before I put the magnum in. And you don't even need a lot of sweetener. Remember, I tell you, just sweeten accordingly to your liking. So I'm just going to grab a little small cup. So I'm just going to use this cup right here, nice and clean, to get some in here for my daughter. And I'm going to show you what this looks like with this sea moss in there. It's going to look like bubble tea, like a milk bubble tea. But as I'm saying, if you don't want the chunks of sea moss, you can always blend this up, put a few ice cubes, or you can put it on the fridge and chill. lots of goodness. See what I'm saying? Your queen is in the kitchen, and you don't know when a queen is in the kitchen. It's pure niceness. All right, let's remove this and show you what the goodness looks like. So this is it. Let me get the camera so I can show you exactly what this goodness looks like. So this is what it is looking like with the sea moss pieces. As I'm saying, remember, you can blend this up. Feel free to blend it, but you can have it just like bubble tea. See? Lovely, beautiful, and delicious. Strong back. Let me know what you think about this. Hey, Riverside. Yep, trouble when we drink this. See all that? You see that sea moss right there? The sea moss gel? I'm telling you. You're gonna tell me about this one. Yummy Cooking with Joy, how are you doing? Please share this video if you can. Lots of goodness right here. Look at that. So if you know what bubble tea is, look at that. See that? Okay.
Wi-Fi isn't set up. You can find instructions in the help section of your Alexa app.
That's my Alexa, pardon me guys. That's how Alexa is sometimes. You're not talking to her, but she's always talking to you. See that goodness? All right. Let me know what you think about this. Thank you all for joining in. Hope you're having a blessed night. Until tomorrow, God bless each and every one of you.